My name is Alize Morris, a secure party creditor under the UCC-1 filed in Florida. American National being held in custody in Gulf County. I'm the agent of the said principal.
Who wrote that for you?
I did.
Why do you need to read it if you know what you're talking about?
Just memory.
Okay. Tell me what the 14th Amendment says. Mr. Morris, I know Mr. Hill was representing you in the 23174 case. You're here for an arraignment on the 24 CF49 case. Has your financial circumstances changed?
No, sir.
All right, I'm going to appoint the law officer here, Mark Sims, to represent you in the 24 case.
I go state this to the court.
You raise your right hand and...
Hey guys, welcome back. Today we got another crazy court hearing with a so-called sovereign citizen, and this one's wild from start to finish. The judge wasn't playing around. He came in ready to handle business with real law. While the defendant kept spouting stuff he probably Googled right before court. This guy starts quoting the Constitution like it's a magic spell, demanding proof of jurisdiction, and saying he's a living man who's not under the court's authority. Seriously, what does that even mean? The judge wasn't having it. He shut him down with cold, hard facts and made him look ridiculous. Honestly, it was satisfying to see the judge handle it with both logic and a little sarcasm. What do you guys think? Do these sovereign citizens actually believe what they say? Or are they just trying to waste time? Either way, if you enjoy watching courtroom chaos like this, don't forget to subscribe, and share this video. Let's jump right in.
Yes.
Now that Mr. Hill is representing you, you probably want to talk to Mr. Hill before you say anything. We're recording this proceeding, so anything you say may be used against you. But I'm listening to whatever you want me to consider.
I'm not real sure what Mr. Morris is trying to claim, and that writing right there says he's not a citizen, and something about a secure.
My name is Alize Morris, a secure party creditor under the UCC-1 filed in Florida. American National being held in custody in Gulf County, which is not a 14th Amendment citizen of the United States, not a record. So documentation, which is official records. To state it, I'm the agent of the said principal.
Who wrote that for you?
I did.
Why do you need to read it if you know what you're talking about?
Just memory.
Okay. Tell me what the 14th Amendment says.
That you were considered a slave under the 14th Amendment.
That who's considered a slave? I'm not a slave.
No, the incarcerated person. If you commit a crime.
Okay. Doesn't say if you commit a crime.
Or yeah.
That's not what it reads.
I got the 14th Amendment really wasn't in the book.
What book?
The book that we had in the back.
What book do you have in the back?
It's a law book.
What law book is it?
This judge might be one of my favorites ever. He completely roasted this sovereign citizen like it was a comedy show. The guy started his usual script, and the judge shut it down before he could even finish his third fake, law. These people always say the court has no authority over them. But if you were born in the U.S., guess what? You're automatically part of the legal system. That social security number means you're a citizen under the 14th Amendment. You can't just opt out because you don't like the rules. It's, oh yeah, all that talk about being a free traveler or not a corporate entity is complete nonsense. What do you think? Did the judge handle this perfectly? Or should he have gone even harder? Let me know in the comments. And let's get back to the chaos.
Florida statute book. Yes.
So the 14th Amendment isn't in the Florida statutes? That's because it's an amendment to the U.S. Constitution.
Mm-hmm.
So you don't know what the 14th Amendment reads?
The 14th Amendment reads not off on the top. Not off.
Okay.
That's why I've written.
What else do you want me to consider?
That I'm a secure party creditor under the UCC-1.
Tell me what the UCC-1 reads.
I wish I had my documentation in front of me to present it all the way. I wish I had someone here that was supposed to be here so I can have it.
I asked you who wrote that for you. You said you did.
I wrote it. Yes.
So do you know what you're talking about?
Yes, sir.
All right. So tell me what the UCC-1 reads.
It's the Uniform Commercial Code filed with the Secretary of State or within the entities under the contract with the Secretary of the State to maintain uniform commercial code records and database of judgment liens maintained by the Secretary of State.
Now tell me what UCC-1 reads.
It's two. It's a statement and it's a financial.
You don't know what the UCC 1 reads, do you?
Not on top.
You're not prepared. You're not prepared this morning with your sovereign citizen argument. You needed some additional time to prepare.
Yes, sir.
I'll give you some additional time to prepare your sovereign citizen argument. When do you want to come back?
I would ask that he's got 2 cases. I know one we've got already got the discovery on that I need to go meet with him at the jail and go over. Being at the jail, I mean, I can find time between now and May 9th to go to the jail and take care of that.
All right, Mr. Morrison, you come back. Usually when sovereign citizens come in the courtroom, at least they can recite from memory a lot of the stuff they travel under. So next time you want to come with your sovereign citizen argument, be prepared, okay? I'll listen to you, but be prepared.
Yes.
But you're not doing justice to your fellow traveling nationals who consider themselves sovereign citizens if you're not prepared to even articulate what the argument is, all right?
Yes, sir.
All right, we'll see you May 9th at 1:30.
Today.
Be prepared next time, all right?
Yes, sir.
It should have a constitution in the back so you can read the 14th Amendment and be able to tell me what it reads. And
what it says right here. What is date?
We're going to May 9th at 1:30.
Machine into a contract.
That's not a contract. That's giving you notice that you're going to come back.
Mm-hmm.
You're fine. I'm not going to query you about what a contract is, but
I've got to say, this judge absolutely nailed it. We need more judges like him who stop all the sovereign citizen nonsense before it even gets started. He didn't let anything slide. Not the fake laws, not the "I'm not under your jurisdiction" talk. Nothing. And the funniest part, he made the guy come back for another hearing. Hopefully, that gives him time to realize this isn't a conspiracy video. It's a real courtroom. Honestly, I'm so tired of these people turning serious cases into some kind of improved show. They waste the judge's time, the court's time, and our tax money, all to make themselves look smart while saying things that make zero sense. If they just cooperated, half of them would probably get lighter sentences. But no, they'd rather go viral for being loud and clueless. Thankfully, judges like this show that not everyone's falling for their act. Anyway, I'll stop ranting before I start sounding like the one yelling in court. What did you guys think? Did the judge handle this guy the right way, or should he have gone even harder? Drop your thoughts below. And if you like this kind of content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. I post every day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.